It's always exciting when a new gadget hits the skies, isn't it? Drone enthusiasts know that every release brings fresh features to explore and compare. These flying cameras are more than just tech toys. They're tools for capturing stunning perspectives and getting creative. Today, we're diving into two standout drones, one that's compact and feature-packed, and another that's all about value without cutting corners. Which one truly awesome? Stick around as we unpack the details of the DJI Mini 4 Pro and the DJI Flip to help you make the best choice. Let's get started. Let's start with how these two drones look and feel. The DJI Flip stands out with its innovative folding mechanism. Its arms fold in and out with a satisfying snap, and here's the cool part. It turns on and off automatically as you fold or unfold it. This makes setup super fast and convenient, especially when you're on the move. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 4 Pro sticks to a more traditional folding design. It's sleek and compact, no doubt, but it doesn't have that futuristic flip-and-go feature. That said, the Mini 4 Pro feels just as portable and fits easily into a small bag or even a large pocket. So when it comes to portability, both drones score high, but the Flip's unique mechanism gives it an edge in terms of sheer convenience. Now let's talk about how these drones handle in the air. The DJI Flip is super intuitive. You can control it using the DJI Fly app on your phone, a dedicated controller, or even a button right on the drone itself. This makes it versatile and beginner-friendly. It also comes with features like Spotlight and Active Track, which let you focus on your subject while the drone does the hard work of following and framing. The Mini 4 Pro, however, takes it up a notch. While it offers similar flight modes, it also includes omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. This means it can sense and avoid obstacles from all directions. Whether you're flying through a forest or navigating tight spaces, the Mini 4 Pro's safety features are a huge confidence booster. If you're new to drones or planning to fly in more challenging environments, we think the Mini 4 Pro's advanced obstacle avoidance gives it a slight advantage. Both of these drones pack a punch when it comes to cameras. They shoot stunning 4K videos with crisp details and vibrant colors. If you're looking to capture cinematic shots, you really can't go wrong with either. That said, the Mini 4 Pro pulls ahead in a few key areas. Its camera can rotate vertically for true vertical shooting, making it perfect for Instagram Reels or TikToks. Plus, the vertical shots maintain a full 4K resolution. The Flip can also shoot vertically, but it crops the sensor to achieve this, which reduces the resolution to 2.7K. It's still good, but not quite as sharp. The Mini 4 Pro also performs better in low-light conditions. If you're flying during golden hour or at dusk, you'll notice the difference in clarity and detail. For those of you who prioritize image quality, the Mini 4 Pro takes the lead here. Here's where things get interesting. Battery life can make or break a drone experience, right? The DJI Flip gives you around 25 minutes of flight time, which is decent for its size and purpose. On the other hand, the Mini 4 Pro stretches that to 34 minutes. For us, the Mini 4 Pro's extra minutes feel like a big bonus, especially when you're out capturing those perfect shots. You know how frustrating it can be to rush back before the battery dies. With the Mini 4 Pro, you get a bit more breathing room, and we really liked that. The Flip does the job, but the Mini feels more reliable when you're pushing limits. When it comes to features, these drones have plenty to offer. The Flip boasts an easy-to-use interface and automated flight modes that are perfect for beginners. It's fun, intuitive, and great for quick creative shots. But then the Mini 4 Pro steps in with features like advanced obstacle avoidance and precision tracking. For us, the Mini 4 Pro's features feel more advanced and geared towards serious users. Obstacle avoidance, for instance, gives you peace of mind, especially when flying in tricky areas. The Flip keeps things simple, which we liked for casual use, but the Mini's extras add a layer of confidence and creativity. Wind can be a drone's worst enemy, right? The DJI Mini 4 Pro excels here with its ability to handle stronger gusts while maintaining stability. The Flip does a good job for its size, but it's not as steady in windy conditions. For us, the Mini 4 Pro feels more reliable when the weather isn't perfect. You can fly with confidence knowing it won't get tossed around as much. The Flip is fine for calmer days, but if wind resistance is key, the Mini is the better choice. Let's talk about the price. The DJI Mini 4 Pro comes in at $759, while the DJI Flip is priced at $439. That's a significant difference. For casual users or beginners, the Flip offers incredible value. It's budget-friendly, easy to use, and still delivers decent performance. For us, this makes it an attractive option for those not looking to spend too much. On the other side, the Mini 4 Pro is for those who want premium features and don't mind paying extra. The advanced camera, longer battery life, and special features justify the higher price tag. If you're serious about drone photography or videography, we think the Mini 4 Pro offers better long-term value. But if you just want a fun, capable drone for casual use, the Flip is a steal at its price point. Alright, so which one should you go for? Well, it depends on what you need. If you're looking for simplicity, portability, and a fun flying experience, the DJI Flip is a fantastic choice. It's easy to use, innovative, and perfect for casual flying. But if you're after top-notch image quality, advanced safety features, and professional-level performance, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is worth the extra investment. It's a drone that grows with you, offering more room to experiment and push your creative limits. Overall, both the DJI Flip and Mini 4 Pro bring something unique to the table. The Flip impresses with its innovative design, while the Mini 4 Pro shines with its advanced capabilities. Whichever you choose, you're getting a high-quality drone that's ready to elevate your aerial photography and videography.
All right, we just saw some cool gadgets that are now quite popular, but that wasn't always the case. A lot of marketing had to be done for them to garner such a fan base. So if you are a business owner and want to increase your sales and drive more traffic to your sites, you should check out today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. With TikTok for Business, you can launch your first campaign in just 3 easy steps. First, answer a few questions, and TikTok will create a personalized marketing plan just for you. Then, craft your content using an easy-to-use template or upload existing creative. Finally, run your campaign and watch your business reach new heights with the most engaged audience online. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today.
So that's all about the DJI Flip and DJI Mini 4 Pro. Do let us know what you think about these cameras. As for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.